In today's video, I'll teach you how to cancel Amazon subscription. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to cancel the subscription, what you have to do is hover over this option, account and lists. You'll be able to find various options over here. Out of these options, find this option for memberships and subscriptions and click on it. Now you'll be able to see your current subscription over here. Right now I do not have any subscription, but I'll tell you what to do. So what you have to do is find the subscription that you would like to cancel. After you do that, you'll be able to find the option for manage subscription right next to it. Click on it. Now you'll have to search for the option that says advanced controls. Click on it and you'll be able to find the option for cancelling the subscription. Click on the option cancel subscription. Follow through the prompts and you'll be able to cancel your subscription. You'll be able to see the end date of the subscription and you can reverse it. Simply follow through the prompts in order to do it and your subscription will be cancelled. So that is how you cancel Amazon subscription. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.